And in our next game, we got these two teams. First, let's call it Meralco Bulls. For the sunny jersey 0, Tonino Gonzaga. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Bartino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Marquez. From Cebu at number 15, Joseph Sanorifa. Coach of the Meralco Bulls, Coach Patrick Frank. Let's call in right now, TNT Tropang Giga. From Meralco at number 8, Ping Semifinals. From Pampanga at number 18, Levin Flores. From Bicol at number 26, Elman Bosatros. From Brian Mendoza. Coach of TNT Tropang Giga, Coach Mau Belen. Referees for this game, Charlie Amparado, Jack Hantay.
Going into the semifinals is nothing new for TNT Tropang Giga as they are known to be one of the more dominant teams here in the 3x3. Kaya lang during leg 2, their team faltered and had trouble securing a podium finish dahil dito, sabi nga ni Brian Mendoza, na that he is an underdog to avoid himself from getting complacent. Apart from that, to better their chances at the podium, he shares with the team for this day is trying to mix up all their plays to have an even more competitive edge. With this, he also ends by asking the audience to watch out for his intensity and effort because he will be bringing that today dahil yun nga daw ang gusto niyang mapakita. Gentlemen?
Salamat, Aileen. Watch out for the intensity daw of Brian Mendoza.
Yan.
Sige, abangan natin yan.
Abangan ko yan. Hindi, kilala natin. Talagang very intense. This is a very cerebral TNT squad partner, di ba? Almond po Mendoza, mga matatalinong player yan. Itong mga Meralco Bulls, mga barako, para mga pitbull to. Ayan, yung mga white na mga rebound ni Alfred Batino. Sinasabi niya, sinasaktan siya ni Lervin Flores, hindi ako naniniwala.
Itong si Lervin Flores, watch out for yung mga kamatchup niya dito kasi 100% sure. Parang God delivers King Kong yan eh. Oh. May ano eh, napaka-physical yan.
Totoo yan, kasi yun, tama din yung sinabi mo eh. Usually, sa dulo na nagkikita itong dalawang teams na to, they play very well, they're very consistent. Again, palagi silang nandyan sa top 3, top 4, top 5. At one or several times, sa mga leg yan, di ba? Both these teams.
Unable to find the pass there itong si Batino. Sinabi mo nga kanina na napaka-cerebral itong TNT. Parang Meralco din naman eh. They play very smart 3x3 basketball. And there, for those wondering, hindi naman yan smart shot eh. Patapos yung shot clock.
Pero tama ka, Tonino. Also, Joseph Saduripa, mga, di ba, magagaling dumiskarte. Very deliberate players. Kaya, which makes it a super matchup. Di ba? This will be talagang one for the book dito sa ating sa leg na to, itong matchup na to.
Slow scoring game here so far. Wala pang scorers dito eh. With TNT and Meralco canceling each other out early on.
Oh my God.
Nakita mo yun?
Oh my goodness.
Nung pisikalan dyan, sa Gonzaga, unable to get it through. Linuwa pa ng rim.
Dex Marquez is, well, how should I say this? Hindi siya papayag na ginaganong-ganon siya. Pero si Brian, palaban din kasi ito eh.
Oo. Both teams missing at the rim here.
Ginalit niya si Dex.
Ayun.
We have a problem. Nakikita ko yung mga galaw ni Dex. Parang popalo na may Oh my goodness. Okay. Minsan ganun eh. Poke the bear lang eh. Minsan, sa palagay ko, na-poke the bear dito. Na-poke nila si Dex Marquez. Nice pass going to Alfred Batino.
Well, Meralco finally getting points on the board. Ito naman si Bosotros from the top scorers of the 3x3. Pull up two. Napakabilis ang release but then unable to find the mark there. Flores tried to kick it out to Eximiniano. Stolen by Meralco. Marquez attacking and finishing.
Look very easy para dito kay Dex Marquez. Parang halos walang resist. 3-0 sila. Nothing on the board pa para sa TNT. Excuse me. A quick basket. Magmula dito kay Ping Eximiniano.
Eximiniano adds a different type of player dito para sa TNT in terms of quick penetration as Maikes unable to get that fall. Naman si Vosotros. Pero dito sa 3x3, that's Almond Vosotros.
But they have to know where Almond Vosotros is at all times. Di ba kailangan makapag-close out sa kanya? Pag late ka, bayad ka. Pag si Almond Vosotros.
Sedurifa, the quick turnaround. Eximiniano doing the dirty work. Wala pasad itong TNT.
Biglang lamang no?
Oo.
2-0. Pero after some nice buckets coming from Ping and the long one coming from Almond, lamang na po sila dito. 3-2.
Lervin Flores with a slam.
Doing what he does best.
Si
Playing
Flores.
above the rim.
Flores very athletic, able to do that. And of course, energy booster din yan.
Oh
para
yeah,
sa
definitely.
TNT.
Siyempre, gaganahan ka. Two-handed smash magmula dito kay Lervin Flores. Very nice.
Clear runway there for Lervin Flores. Flores, great pass to Grind Mendoza.
Wow. Quick 5 points. TNT.
Patino. Working on Flores. The little bump. Sedurifa had to throw that up. Oh, he makes it anyway. 2-pointer, sabi ng referee.
Top shot para dito kay Joseph Seduripa. Para hindi pa nga niya hawak ng mabuti yung bola di ba? Biglang init siya. Pumasok naman yung tira ni Seduripa.
Hindi ko nga alam na kung paano niya nakita yung shot clock Basta tinira lang niya
Pero katalino din, di ba? Parang nagbibilang lang sa ulo niya. Parang hindi na nga niya sinilip naman. He just knows. And that's how smart these players are.
Dexter Maikes able to send that away. 5-4 right now, still in favor of TNT. 6:17 left in this one.
Haba pa to. Actually, slow starting sila. Pero yun na nga, biglang sunod-sunod ang mga puntos ng TNT. Almond Vosotros na naman.
Ito naman si Gonzaga. Oh, nakabawi!
So yung sinasabi natin, sigurado itong larong ito magpipick up Dahil parehong mga magagaling.
Ryan Mendoza, great pick and roll play there with Vosotros. 8-6. Lamang ng dalawa ang TNT. Gonzaga, unable to tie it up. Vosotros with the rebound. Vosotros. Pull up two!
Looks like a simple two-pointer, pero I'd call that a tough shot because Seduripa was all over him. Hindi sila humihinto. Dex Maikes and Brian Mendoza.
Watch that matchup, ladies and gentlemen. Kanina pa sila.
But Brian is smart. Sabi niya, laki nito.
Grabe yung pasa na yun, no?
Tingnan mo,
Patino,
he was stepping on the line. Yes. Oh, pero Brian is still on Dex. Kanina pa sila nagkikis-kisan na.
Quick steal there from Grayan. Ito naman si Eximiniano. Back to Grayan. Grayan trying his luck from beyond the arc. No good. Batino. Bigay kay Maikes. Batino. Gives it to Seduripa. And si Eximiniano had an extended arm.
Pero kasi very worried sila sa mga 2-pointers si Joseph Seduripa. So wanting to fight that screen was Ping Eximiniano at sumabit nga siya. They're down. Sorry, TNT up by 4. No team fouls for the Meralco Bulls.
Well, you have,
Apat naman sa TNT.
kung TNT ka, parang mag-ingat kasi 4 fouls ka na. Oh, well, rather 3 fouls. 3 fouls. Binawasan, so 3 fouls, turns out.
Wanting clarification. Officials at saka officials table.
Okay, so everything is all set. 3 fouls pa lang ang TNT. 6-point lead here for the Tropang Giga as Tonino Gonzaga.
Kala ko papasok pa yung bicycle shot ni Tonino Montik, it's gonna be a free throw para dito kay Gonzaga. Running over Brian Mendoza.
Well, itong Meralco, very even scoring for all of them so far. Pero in the meantime, itong si Almond Vosotros really leading the charge for everyone here.
Yeah.
6 points so far of 3 of 6 from beyond the arc. And I think inaayos lang yung scoreboard natin. As the
Biglang si Almond biglang-bigla. He's just very streaky. Fire up a two-pointer, na boom, 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 boom. Successive baskets na. And like you said, 6 points in total na si Almond Vosotros.
has more points than the entire Meralco team put together. Itong si Almond Vosotros has missed there from the free throw stripe, means that TNT will have the ball. Medyo bumabagal yung laro natin dito as both teams are trying to figure each other out. TNT up by 5. Flores, bigay kay Vosotros. 1 second. Pull up 2. Oh, he made it!
Wow! Nakataas naman ang kamay ni Tonino Gonzaga pero he still made it.
Patino gets a much needed bucket there, pero grabe yung ngiti ni Vosotros as soon as he made that one. Good defensive play there coming from Sedurifa, but Eximiniano repays the favor. He pulls up for 2, putting his best Almond Vosotros impression to work.
What a sequence nung puntong yun. Defensive play, binawi ng defensive play. A nice two-pointer. Binabawi ni Joseph Sedurifa.
Grabe yung shooting dito ng TNT Tropang Giga. Yervin Flores leads it to Vosotros. Vosotros step back, trying to find Flores. No good. Ito naman si Tonino Gonzaga. Needs to get a 2, and he gets it.
Parang he got flipped. Almond Vosotros, my goodness.
Oh, Almond Vosotros is on a burner. Can't be stopped. Ito naman si Gonzaga. Finding Sedurifa. Batino unmolested inside.
That will be the easiest basket dito sa larong ito. Yung tira ni Batino na yon. Lahat challenge, foul. Oh,
nothing from Vosotros inside. Actually, si Vosotros, lahat ng mga points niya mula sa 2-point line, 10 points already. As Tonino Gonzaga rather, on the ground.
At ganyan pa rin yung sinasabi mo. Yung 10.3 Almond Vosotros outscoring the whole of Meralco Balls with 9 points.
3:44 left in this one. And there is a quick timeout here. 3:44 with TNT pulling ahead courtesy of a fireworks show coming from Vosotros.
Well, if there's gonna be a run para dito sa Meralco Balls, it has to be now. Uminipis na yung oras na natin, 3 minutes and 44. And they're down by a pretty big margin. Malaki na 3x3 ang pitong kalamangan na ng TNT.
Pero kailangan ingat din yung TNT Tropang Giga. One more foul. It sends Meralco to the line for 2 free throws the rest of the way. So it will be Meralco ball. If you can get a bucket here plus a foul, grabe, that will be a big deal here for Meralco.
Of course, we're mentioning both teams. Meralco, di ba, mga smart players, definitely they see that and they will try to capitalize on that. Titingnan natin kung magiging atake ito. And like you said, try to fish for a foul. Ito na nga.
Maikes inside, turn around. Ryan, careful not to foul. Eximiniano keeps the ball in. Flores, dun kay Mendoza. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Vosotros on the bench. Ryan Mendoza!
Again, very comfortable in using his offhand. Yung kanyang kanan, Ryan Mendoza.
Grabe rin yung extension niya, no? Able to use his length, and what a steal there from Eximiniano.
All day, baby. All day.
Mendoza left too wide open. Pero nandun si Lervin Flores for the rebound and the bucket. 8-point lead here.
Commanding lead, I'd say. Very important possession ito para sa Meralco.
Batino. Notice how TNT are not even putting their arms down. No fouls.
They're recognizing na maganda naman ang kanilang kalamangan. Di ba? Ayaw na nilang mag-2 free throws pa itong Meralco Balls.
So quick foul there. Meralco, a lot of fouls to give here against the TNT Tropang Giga. 11-18 in favor of the black shirts.
Tingnan natin kung magagawang pa ng paraan ng Meralco Bolts ito. Again, this is leg 3 pero leg 2, mga champion yan pa. Diba? Playing with a chip on their shoulders.
Miscommunication there between Flores and Vosotros. And kung nakahabol pa yung Meralco dito, I think makatawag natin yan na minor miracle.
Totoo yun, dahil 2.5 na lang ang natitira.
Gonzaga,
Minor miracle pa.
Foul there from Marquez.
Would have been huge, no? Yung 2-pointer ni Tonino Gonzaga. Pero still, it stays at a 7-point advantage para dito sa TNT.
2:28 left in this one. Dervin Flores working on Marquez. Marquez with another foul. The foul's quickly piling up here for Meralco. And medyo frustrating yung game na to para kay Dexter Marquez. He is perfect from the field with 2 of 2. Pero we've seen him in tough battles with Flores and Grind Mendoza here today.
Pero it's mostly Almond Vosotros para dito sa TNT. Yung kanyang mga long 2-pointers. But Meralco catches a break here, Pao.
Good defense are coming from the Meralco Bolts, forcing the turnover, pero time is not on their side. 2:10 left here, down by 7. Itong TNT 3 points away from moving on.
Huge possession.
Sedurifa.
Something positive has to happen here, Pao.
Patino looking for his options. Benitez Sedurifa. Eximiliano blew up that handoff. It's Sedurifa. Big bucket.
Wow!
Still up by 5.
Door is wide open, my friend.
Ryan Mendoza attacking the closeout. And a foul that means 2 free throws. No, not yet. Wala pa. 5 fouls pa lang. Meralco dito.
Yung TNT ang talagang really staying away from fouls when they got their 6.
Just 1 free throw here for Mendoza instead of the 2 that they would have gotten had it been the 7th foul.
Breathing room ang inahabol ni Ryan Mendoza dito in making his lone free throw. No
good as Batino collects. Sedurifa left wide open. And misses out, but what a rebound from Nervin Flores.
Really making sure of that one, diba? Ripping that board, making sure.
Going where no one else could go. Oh, and another miss there, and Meralco still alive. Bodies on the floor. It's a battle inside, and...
Wow. Told you this was going to be for the books, my friend.
I cannot emphasize gaano ka masakit yung ginawa nila. Diving for the ball na plastic yung flooring natin.
Totoo yun.
And credit to all the players, they all want this.
The 5-point difference dito. At parang naging NFL, di ba? Parang yung pag nagpatong-patong yung mga players, titignan kung sino yung huling may kapit, may hawak-hawak ng bola. Kung sinong may possession dyan. In any case, 5. Parang lamang ng TNT,
parang rugby, parang NFL. Oh.
Kaya masaya manood ng 3x3. It's a rugged type of basketball.
$1:15 left in this one. TNT. Medyo nahihirapan trying to close out this game. Meralco putting up a good stand defensively so far. Marquez.
Possession has to be quick though, Pao.
Naman si Sedurifa. Working on Vosotros. Gets the pick. Off the drive. Sedurifa has to shoot. And he gets it to go. Just a 1-pointer there though for Meralco.
Parang ang dami ng sinushoot ni Joseph Sedurifa. 5 points lamang.
Nervin Flores can't get it to fall. Will shoot 1. 6th foul for Meralco. Wala na silang fouls to give.
So I would say this door is ajar para dito sa Meralco ball. Sedurifa again. Yung kanya mga tough 2-pointers, or was he stepping on the line nung puntong yon?
Klaro na 1-pointer lang yan.
Okay.
Put on the line. So 18-14. Flores with a bucket here can make it a one-possession ball game for them to win, rather. Pero wala pa rin. Door still open here from Meralco.
Oh, wow, what a play.
Hustle
What a
play there
defensive
from
play.
Flores. That could have spelled the difference. Vosotros trying to find room all the way in. Wala pa rin. Flores trying to corral the rebound, finally does. Eximeniano taking their time now. Meralco desperately need a stop. Ito naman si Vosotros. Sidestep 2. Gonzaga, Sedurifa, 4-2. Wala pa rin.
Oh,
So Meralco doing a good job getting the defensive stops, able to convert, trying to win back possessions, pero wala, yung shooting nila wala talaga.
Masayang isang yun. Dex Mike has opted to not chase yung loose ball. Akala niya ma-outside na. Hinabol ni Lervin Flores.
I think masasabi natin, it's plays like that that wins ball games.
Sayang, di ba? Sana he grabbed it na chance to get a bucket at mabawasan itong kalamangan ng TNT. 13 seconds. And by all indications, it's gonna be TNT para sa last spot.
Kung kanina sinabi ko na minor miracle yung kailangan ng Meralco, ngayon kailangan na ng major miracle. Pero at the meantime, it looks like TNT will be moving on to the finals. As they let time expire back, Vosotros misses the two-pointer, and there you have it. TNT advance to the finals.
Wow.
18-14, taking down the defending champs, the Meralco Bolts 3x3. And continuing to cement their place as one of the powerhouses dito sa PBA 3x3. Lakas ng tatlo. Almond Vosotros was a man possessed, a man on fire.
Grabe.
10 points.
But from the beginning of this ball game, partner, we knew it was going to be rough and tumble. Very, very rugged basketball game. Pero yup, like you said, best player nung larong yun, a semifinal game. Walang iba kundi si Almond Vosotros with his 10 points and 3 rebounds.
Almond Vosotros also 5 of 11 from beyond the arc, the quickest trigger in PBA 3x3.